Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to count unique records in Microsoft Access database. This is incredibly useful when you need to eliminate duplicates from your data analysis and get an accurate count of distinct entries in your tables. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Make sure you give it a moment to fully load all your data before proceeding to the next steps. Having everything properly loaded will ensure a smooth workflow as we set up the query. Once the software has loaded along with your data, we can begin the process of counting unique records. Click on the Create tab located on the top part of your screen. This is where all your query and report tools are located. From here, look for the Query Design option and click on it. This will open up the query creation interface where we'll configure everything to count only unique records. Now you'll be directed to the Query Creation tab. Look at the right side panel and you'll see a Property Sheet section. This panel is essential for controlling how your query behaves and what results it returns. To count unique records in Microsoft Access database, simply locate the Unique Values property within this sheet and change it to Yes. This setting tells Access to count only unique records within your datasheet, automatically filtering out any duplicate entries. Now that you've enabled unique values, you need to add in your data fields. Click on the Add Tables tab to bring in the tables you want to work with. Once you add your tables, the query will only count unique records from your database, giving you an accurate representation of distinct entries rather than total rows, including duplicates. This is particularly helpful when dealing with customer lists, product inventories, or any dataset where duplicate entries might skew your analysis. And that's it! You've successfully set up your Access query to count unique records, giving you clean, accurate data for your reports and analysis. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.